welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's themed vlog, like taking myself on a date, enjoying my own company, romanticizing time alone. I did one of these last year and it was really fun to film, so I thought I would do another one. I've been alone on Valentine's Day for 25 straight years in a row. I kind of know what to do to make it fun. I used to think that because I'm alone on Valentine's Day, I can't really celebrate it. In the last couple years, I realized that I can still kind of celebrate Valentine's Day alone. I feel like you can still take the day and make it fun and enjoy things that you like to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below some things you like to do by yourself. Definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. And let's just get into the vlog. I'm just gonna have like a relaxing, slow morning, and now I'm gonna get ready for the day. I love doing my makeup. I feel like my last couple vlogs have kind of started out the same. I do love doing my makeup, so I wanted this to be part of it. It is something that I really like doing, and taking the time to just kind of enjoy the process, like put a show on in the background or listen to a podcast and just kind of take some time to get ready and do my makeup. It's a great thing to do when you are by yourself. It's actually kind of late in the day, to be honest. Like not like late in the day, but like kind of like late in the morning, like it's almost lunchtime. I actually fake tanned last night too. My fake tan was looking so bad. Like it was to the point where my foundation was like not matching very good. I fake tan, so I'm feeling fresh and glowy. I'm just gonna use some of my Giorgio Armani foundation. I have some fun things planned for today. I kind of have like a list on my phone of some things that I just kind of want to do, or some things I kind of just want to like get while I'm out. Going to get coffee, obviously. I might get some lunch too. It's already almost lunchtime and I'm hungry. And then I'm just gonna kind of get some treats and stuff. Now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. This is the Kosas concealer. Now going in with my Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Encourage. I just kind of want to have a relaxing day. I'm pretty used to enjoying my own company. Honestly, I really don't enjoy going places by myself. I would much rather be with somebody else. Sometimes I enjoy going places by myself, and then sometimes I enjoy going with other people. It just kind of depends on where I'm going. If I'm going to Target, I would rather go with somebody else. If I'm just gonna go grab a coffee, I'd rather just go by myself, and it's like faster. I don't know if that makes sense. Comment below if you guys have any fun Valentine's plans, like doing a little Valentine's party, or if you're going on a date, like if you are in a relationship. I'm really curious. Now I'm gonna go in with this Dior blush. I have showed this in a couple videos and I literally love this. It's like such a cute pink color. I kind of want to watch like some Valentine's episodes of some of my favorite shows. Parks and Rec Valentine's episode and some of the Office Valentine's episodes, and also that like Valentine's movie, that like movie Valentine's Day I think is what it's called, is actually like a really cute movie. Maybe I'll watch that on Valentine's Day. Now I'm gonna go in with this highlight from the Charlotte Tilbury palette. It's like pink and then the pink blush, they kind of like go together. I feel like I used too much blush. I wasn't really using much of a mirror. Definitely got way too much. So I'm just gonna take my powder brush and kind of just make it look a little less intense. I just don't want to be giving sunburn. Now I'm gonna go in with this Glossier Boy Brow. I pretty much do like the same makeup every day, and I kind of just brush it in an upward motion. And now I'm gonna go in with some faux freckles. I'm just using the little freck pen. I really need to sharpen this. That is the finished makeup. I just need to curl my bangs really fast and then I will be all ready for the day. I think I'm just gonna wear this with like some baggy jeans. I think I'm just gonna get some coffee and maybe some lunch. Might get some sushi. That is the plan. I just got a coffee. I got an iced vanilla latte. If you guys watch my videos often, you might know I get an iced vanilla latte with cinnamon, and I switched it up and I got just a regular iced vanilla. I like the cinnamon in the fall and winter, but it's actually been kind of nice lately. It's like we're starting to get into spring. Switched back to a regular iced vanilla latte. Let's taste it. It's really good. I'm trying to decide what I want to do for lunch. I was gonna get sushi, but my usual sushi place is closed today. There's like one day a week that they're closed, and that just happens to be today. I don't feel like trying a new place. I'm trying to decide what else sounds good. I saw a TikTok and this girl was like eating Chick-fil-A. That actually sounds kind of good. Or Panera. They're both kind of close to Target too. I might do Chick-fil-A. I think I'm gonna put some One Direction on because that just puts me in a good mood. I used to listen to them all the time. I got my Chick-fil-A, got some waffle fries. I also got a deluxe sandwich. This just sounds like really good. My lunch was so good. It's kind of nice to spend time alone, listen to whatever music you want, eat whatever food you want. Now I think I'm just gonna head to Target and get some flowers for myself for Valentine's Day, and also maybe some chocolates and the little Pillsbury cookies. I'm just gonna head to Target. Target haul. First, I got these little cookies. I love these little sugar cookies. They are so good. I really didn't get a lot of chocolate, even though I love chocolate. And then I got these packs of Pillsbury cookies, this pack of like the actual just regular chocolate chip cookies, and then this pack of like the Valentine's sugar cookies. I'm gonna make like these little TikTok, basically you just stack these on top of each other. It makes these cute like little Valentine's chocolate chip sugar cookies, I guess. We're gonna test them out. I saw people do that around Christmas too with like the Christmas ones. I really wanted to try it. So we're gonna make these when I get home. I love these. I love both of these separately, so I'm really excited to see how they taste together. I also got some mini M&Ms because I love these. I also got these flowers. It's just like a little, like a few baby breaths and then this orange rose. There was also like a red one, but that just like gave off romantic vibes, so I just did this little orange one, kind of like spring, fresh, kind of bright, vibrant, and that was only $5. All the other flowers were like $25, and I just didn't really feel like spending $25. I just thought this was kind of cute. That is my little Target haul. I feel like today's been like a nice, chill, fun day. I think I'm just gonna go home and make those cookies, put my flowers out. Let's taste one of the cookies. I'm so excited. It's good. It kind of tastes exactly like how you would expect it to. It kind of tastes like the sugar cookie, but with chocolate chips. Super good. I definitely recommend. My dishwasher is going and it's like really loud. Sorry if you can hear that. The first batch turned out good, but as you can see, they're a little wonky. Like when the bottom cookie spread out, they kind of slid. On the second batch, I figured out how to make them not be wonky, but I put the chocolate chip cookies in for just like a couple minutes, and then when they were soft, I set these ones on top and just kind of like smushed them down, and that way they were like directly on top. They are more symmetrical. So it is a little bit later. The cookies turned out so good. I love the chocolate chip and I love the sugar cookies, so putting them together, they're definitely really good. I also put my little flowers out. I think those look really cute. I think that is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you'd like to see more vlogs like this on my channel, comment below something you like to do by yourself, or comment below your plans for Valentine's Day. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for our next one. Bye.